Ever since I can remember, Lego has been a huge part of my childhood. From the first time I snapped two bricks together, that creative spark has never left me. Fast forward to today, where technology has taken things to a whole new level. With 3D printing now in my hands, I just had to merge my love for Lego with something more modern. I've shared a few custom Lego-inspired back covers for the CMF Phone one before, but now I wanted to go all out, combining Lego Technic with classic brick designs. This mod is inspired by two awesome models from MakerWorld, and I brought them together to make something unique.
A few inches later.
Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe.